Hello everyone! Today we're gonna build a simple AI app using Kotlin Jetpack Compose, Glowbom, and Glowby GPT. Let's do it right now. First of all, let's create a project on glowbom.com and choose a custom project. Let's name the project AI app and export it as Kotlin Jetpack Compose, just like this. Next step, we're gonna open Glowby GPT and ask Glowby to create a simple AI app using Kotlin Jetpack Compose and Glowbom AI extensions. When Glowby generates code for us, we just copy this into the Android Studio. You can ask Glowby to generate any extra features for this app, and if Glowby makes some mistakes, you can send a screenshot of the error message or copy the error message to Glowby, and Glowby will be able to fix it. But in the end, you get a AI extensions code that you paste into AI extensions.kotlin and just run the project. In our case, Glowby created a simple AI application where users are able to enter OpenAI API key and generate a picture with a prompt using DALL-E 3. That's how easy it is to create a simple AI application using Kotlin Jetpack Compose, Glowby GPT, and Glowbom AI extensions. Thank you so much for watching the video about Glowby GPT. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and try Glowby GPT in the GPT Store. Thank you.